Imagine transforming your outdoor space into a thriving, sustainable food source. At Food Forest Design Minnesota, we make it possible. We specialize in creating tailored, regenerative food for homes, schools, churches, and farms all across Minnesota. Our expert-driven designs take the guesswork out of sustainable landscapes. From backyards to commercial farms, we deliver practical, low-maintenance solutions that work for you and the planet. With custom plans tailored to Minnesota's unique climate, we empower you to embrace permaculture principles and achieve long-term sustainability. Let us help you reimagine your landscape, and together we'll create a flourishing, eco-friendly food forest that nourishes your community for years to come. Food Forest Design Minnesota, turning your vision for sustainability into reality. Get started today. Visit us online or call to schedule your consultation now.